Hi everybody, I'm Sarah and I'm a recorder player. I was missing in action for most of January because I was practicing hard for a solo recital in Amsterdam. This is a program I'm going to be repeating, and it's almost all new music for recorders that I've gradually collected from composers I've gotten to know on social media over the past couple of years. I'm really loving working on this program, and I thought I would share snippets of these pieces with you. I love to champion composers and new works for recorder, and if you would like to play them too, I'm going to put all of the links in the description for how you can get hold of the scores. Let's all play this music. So let's start. The concert opens with a piece by me. I'm also a composer. This is called After Me Comes the Flood for Ganassi style recorder. It's a short piece, but I'm going to play you a little snippet. It starts off quite high. Headphone users. The piece is actually about climate change, the waters, and then they're gone, but they will come back again. I've done a whole video on this, so if you like it and you'd like a 60-second showstopper piece with a bit of virtuosity, check it out. The next piece in the programme is actually also one of mine. It's for Paetzold contrabass recorder and echo pedal and loop station, and it's called Whistle Tone. Often with the Paetzolds, we tend to get into the very percussive, and I wanted to write something that was more about these soft, vulnerable harmonics. The next piece in the programme was a world premiere of a piece written for me by Wilma Pistorius, and it's called Play. It's a really cool piece. I use a bunch of different recorders and a loop station, and it's different every time because I play according to what the audience do. So I change what I'm doing if they're shifting in their chairs, or if they're taking a sip of their drink or looking at their phone. It's just really fun and playful. Haha. So I'll play. I've said play a lot of times. Here's a little snippet. It's so much fun. There's these rocket sounds that happen every time I switch between reacting to the audience and not. Then I included part of a brilliant set of pieces by Melika Fitzhugh. I have her pieces on the channel here quite a lot. Over the past couple of years, she's written an accidental suite for recorders in every size, and I chose 4 of the movements for this programme. They're really imaginative, creative, nostalgic little worlds. Okay, we're 7 pieces in. At this point, I thought it would be nice to play a couple of movements of Bach. This is the first cello suite in G with beautiful ornaments and arrangement by Michaela Petri. I play this every day because it just gives me so much peace. I'm going to play a little bit of the Sarabande for you. I'm going to do a very awkward standing like this, so hopefully you can see my fingers. Even if you watch this video and think, I'm not sure if contemporary music's for me, those Bachs are lovely. The next piece is called Windway by Jean-Christophe Rosaz. This composer actually got in touch with me through YouTube, hi Jean-Christophe, and sent me some beautiful pieces. This one really makes use of the kind of harmonic system of the recorder. Oh, I do not love having such a small room to film in. Oh my god. So jealous of these YouTubers who have these giant studios. The next piece was the most recent addition to the programme. It's called Sparrows in Supermarkets by Paula Matthusen. I got to know this piece when one of my students performed it in a concert and she did an incredible job. And I thought, I'm going to play that too. And it was actually the audience favourite of the night. The next piece is one of my personal favourites. It's called Lullaby by Fumiharu Yoshimine. And I first got to know this piece when Susie Fröhlich played it in my video on the Helder tenors. I usually play this on my modern tenor, but it's being oiled right now, so I'll play it on my modern alto. Next up we have Apricity by Alice Jones. I love Alice's pieces. She does this fantastic series of compositions every year called Tiny Efforts, where she composes 4 pieces for any instrumentation, and you can download them from her website. So please go and do this. They work beautifully on the recorder, and this one's great. And finally, we have the amazing, powerful piece, Take Back by Florence and Maunders. You can play it on bass or contrabass. Of course, I'm going to choose the contrabass. Oh my gosh, which part of this am I going to play? It's a long piece, but I love it. That was page 6. At this point in filming, I have no idea if this video is going to be like, wow, these pieces sound amazing, let's order them already, spread recorded contemporary music around the world, or if you're just like, I don't mind. That's okay. If you are a recorder player who wants to push themselves, find some amazing new music, please go and check out these composers and their works. I'm going to be performing this programme again in different formats. February 25th, I'll be playing in Amsterdam, but it will be broadcast on the radio, so I'll keep you up to date. And March the 16th in Birmingham, England. So UK team recorder people, I'd love to see you there. Let's round it up. As always, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face down here. Here's the Team Recorder Patreon, where you can support the channel, and here's some more videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!